bakunzi ba Rayon Sports n'umuhungu wanyu Robin Gabo. Reka mbibutse ikintu kimwe, tuje kubabwira ko dufite platform cyashya twabanye neza cyane kuri YouTube, ariko ubu twashinze televiziyo yacu bwite. Muze kuri televiziyo ya Rayon Sports, ubundi ariho muzajya mukurikirana haba ibiganiro Gikundiro info buri wa mbere na buri wa gatanu guhera ku isaha y'isa 3 z'ijoro kugera ku isaha y'isa 4, yewe n'imikino yose y'ikipe ya Rayon Sports tuzajya tubereka naho tuzajya tuyiberekera. Icyo ukora nta kindi, wandika ijambo TV ni tanava TV akadomo Rayon Sports akadomo rwa ni TV akadomo Rayon Sports akadomo rwa iyo Rayon Sports ukagushyiraho S kubera ko twitwa Rayon Sports tv.rayonsports.rw. iyo niyo platform turimo gukoresha haba mu biganiro ndetse n'imikino. Abantu dukurikira kuri YouTube rwose muze twambukane tugere no kuri televiziyo yacu bwite. Mukomeze mugire ibihe byiza. Mbaye mbamenyesheje ko kuri platforms za Rayon twashyizeho post ivuga ngo nihagira umuntu utombora agesinge ikipe izakina Rayon Sports kuri Rayon Sports Day, umuntu uri bushyiraho comment ya mbere avuga izina ry'iyo kipe aratsindira itike yo kuzajya kuri iyo match.
N'umubonye rwose bagoro bayazibereye.
Ari umuntu wanyandikiye aravuga ngo ubwo byari bigeze nko saa 11 ari mambwira ngo ko mutadutangariza ngo iyo kipe ngo kandi ngo gera aratsindiye itike ngo ko ari yo commentinze mbere ajya nseka mu mutima. Nta muntu numwe wigeze atekereza ko tuzakina n'iyi kipe. Ni ikipe mpuzamahanga, ni ikipe ikomeye, ni ikipe yatitije amakipe mu karere k'uburengerazuba, hakaba uburengerazuba bwa Afrika. Ni ikipe ikomoka mu gihugu cya Benin i Cotonou, ni ahantu nageze gihugu gange mu kwezi kwa gatatu. Ni ikipe ya company y'imikino y'amahirwe mu gihugu cya Benin, ikaba ari ikipe yarangirije ku mwanya wa kabiri muri champion icyiciro cya mbere mu gihugu cya Benin. Bafite amakipe birakomeye, bafite ikipe yitwa Cotonou, yitwa Coton du Cotonou, bakajya n'indi yitwa Loto Popo. Ayo ni amakipe abiri akomeye hariya mu gihugu cya Benin. Iyi niyo kipe izakina n'ikipe ya Rayon Sports
cyane kabisa, nkuko mubibonye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga mu kanya imiriro imanuka, abantu bavuga ati se ikipe noneho ivuye, approach yakozwe gute? Hari abantu bari bazi ko mu by'ukuri, hari n'abanyandikiye nijoro bavuga ati se ko mwari mwatangaje ko muyitangaza ku cyumweru.
Twari tukiri mu rugamba rwa match ya Vitaro irarangiye, turimo turategura match ya Gorilla hagati mu cyumweru, ariko abantu bagomba gutangira kwitegura guhera ku munsi wejo ku mugoroba tuvuye muri match ku munsi wejo tuvuye kuri match ya Gorilla na Rayon Sports. Turatangira no guselinga n'amatike yo kuri match ya equipe ya Loto Popo ndetse n'ikipe ya Rayon Sports mu kintu kuri wa gatandatu.
Bameze nk'abahadiyara kabisa, ubona ko ari abasore taratamiye gukubita gukozaho ukuguru kabisa wacanganyikirwa. Ubona ko rero yakaba ariyo ikipe izadusura,
ikipe yambara nk'urucaca
akantu k'icyatsi.
Iyo iri mu rugo yambara icyatsi kiganje
akiza, nahubwo bari icyo bazana.
Abantu mu biryogo muzazamuke muze gushyigikira ikipe yanyu Loto Popo. Abareyo bavuga ngo bazaba hari kuri match ya Pyramide
ndaryamye cyane kugenda kubururu
ngo kakanu kagurya ngo barimo barakiga cyane arashaka kuzatitira. Ebana kabisa, ubwo twavuga ko ikipe ya Rayon Sports officially mu buryo
Loto Popo
basanzwe batangaza amakuru ya ekipe, batangaje Loto Popo. Loto Popo rero ikaba ari ikipe mu gihugu cya Benin, ni ikipe nshyashya, ni ikipe yashinzwe mu mwaka wa 2021 ihita itwara shampiyona 2022.
yazanye icyo bita ubwatsi
rwose,
yazanye ubwatsi rakukumba abakinnyi bose, witwaraga neza muri izo ekipe zo muri kiriya gihugu. Ebana hita itwara rero, tekeza ikipe izamuka gititwara na shampiyona,
gititwara shampiyona. Loto Popo ikaba ari ikipe rero yo mu gihugu cya Benin. Twagerageje rero kugira ngo tumenye amakuru y'ikipe yo mu gihugu cya Benin, urumva. Hanyuma tufite ku murongo umugabo witwa Elvis Zanclan, akaba ari umugabo ukomoka mu gihugu cya Benin, ni umunyamakuru wo mu gihugu cya Benin, aratubwira byinshi kuri Loto Popo. Elvis Zanclan, how are you?
Bonsoir, I'm fine.
Tu vas bien?
Je vais très bien. Et toi, Robin?
Nous allons vraiment bien aussi. Nous allons utiliser la langue anglaise.
Okay, good.
The good thing is that you speak both languages, French and English as well.
Of course.
How is Cotonou, first of all?
Cotonou is fine. We are preparing for the celebration of our Independence Day, 63 years of independence. It is tomorrow, so there's enjoyment everywhere, and we are living fine.
I've been missing you. It's been long without talking. This Elvis Zeklan, we met in March. The time Rwanda national team was in Cotonou, I was there as well. That's where we met Elvis Zeklan. First of all, make a short introduction of you to the Rwandan people.
Okay. There's something I don't like to do is to introduce myself, but I will try as I can. My name is Elvis. I'm a sports administrator. In the past, I was a journalist. And I run right now. For 4 years, I ran the most popular club in Benin, which is Dragon FC. I was the general manager for Dragon for 4 years.
Okay.
Now I'm running my own club in the League 4.
Okay.
That's the least I can see.
We decided to call you on our platform to know more and more about the team called Loto Popo Football Club. And the time we'll be asking you a lot about this club. We'll take a short break and translate it in Kinyarwanda so that people from Rwanda can understand what you're talking. And Elvis Zeklan, first of all, what is Loto Popo? Tell us about this club that will face Rayon Sports this coming weekend in the friendly game.
Loto Popo was formerly known as Isae. Isae was a club of a university, a private university, and they came to reach the group stage of CAF League for some years ago. I mean, 4 years ago, they reached group stage of CAF League 4 years ago.
You mean 2019?
2019, 2020. They played during that campaign, and they qualified to the group stage. Then the club was sold to the national lottery company, which is Loterie Nationale du Benin. And they changed the name to Loto Popo. Popo is the town where they now lodge the team. It is a town next to Togo Republic border.
Okay. Are you?
It's a very nice area with beach and everything. So that is their base now. So the name changed from Isae to Loto Popo.
Okay.
And right now it is one of the richest clubs in the country. Because they are sponsored and financed by our national lottery.
Okay. Elvis Zeklan arimo aravuga ati Loto Popo ni ikipe yahoze yitwa Isae Football Club yo mu gihugu cya Benin, ikaba yari karifiye cyangwa se yarabonye itike yo gukina imikino y'amatsinda ya CAF Confederations Cup mu mwaka wa 2019, ariko nyuma iza kugurwa na company ikora ibijyanye n'imikino y'amahirwe yo mu gihugu cya Benin, yo mu gihugu cya Benin yitwa Loto, ariko kuko iyo kipe iba mu gace mu ntara yitwa Popo byatumye bateranya ayo mazina yombi yitwa Loto Popo. Iyo kipe ikaba iri hafi y'umupaka w'igihugu cya Benin n'igihugu cya Togo. Hanyuma let's go back in Cotonou. Elvis Zeklan, this Loto Popo now is established from 2021, from the time they started being called Loto Popo. How is their performance? How is the team in general?
The first year this new name was given to the club, they came out as champion of Benin. They went to Africa and they were eliminated at the first stage. They could not qualify for the second round. The following year, they came second behind Coton, which is another team. The team belongs to our president's son. So Coton last year was first as champion, and Loto Popo came second. This very season, the same thing happened. Coton is champion while Loto is second.
Okay. Arimo aratubwira ati ikipe ya Loto Popo ni ikipe yahinduriwe izina mu mwaka wa 2021, ariko imaze guhindurirwa izina ikipe iza guhita itwara igikombe cya shampiyona mu mwaka wa mbere bakinnye muri shampiyona y'igihugu cya Benin. Hanyuma imyaka ibiri yakurikiyeho yagiye ibi ya kabiri, ikaba iya kabiri inyuma y'ikipe yitwa Coton. Icyo kipe yitwa Coton ikaba ari ikipe y'umwana wa perezida wa Benin Patrice Talon. Birumvikana ko ku kijyanye n'akanyenyeri, ku kijyanye n'amafaranga arumva ko iba ari ikipe ikomeye. Okay, Elvis, what do you think that is the difference between the first season that they played as a Loto Popo, where they lifted the trophy, where they won the title, with these two last years where they didn't win the trophy or the championship of Benin? What do you think changed?
Of course, yeah, there are many changes. Not only one, there are many changes, because the first year it was only Loto Popo. Coton was not part of the league by then. Coton later came. And the league was somehow poor. We changed our way of playing league. It became zonal. Instead of linear matches, we play zonal. We play Benin is divided in 4 zones. So each zone has 9 clubs. When they play, the first 4 qualify for what we call Super League. We have Pro League, which is zonal. After Pro League, each zone provides the 4 first. They qualify for Super League. So there's a difference. So in that Super League, we now have 16 clubs that play home and away, and we have the champion that play for African champions, and the second we play for CAF League. That is it. Now, what is the difference is that football is about players, it's about management, but it's about money, investment. Coton has big, huge investment, financial investment. That is what makes the difference. The real difference came from money. Money. Because when you have money, you buy good players and you have good staff and everything.
Okay. Aravuga Elvis aravuga ati ni ikipe ya Loto Popo yatangiye neza itwara igikombe cya shampiyona, ariko ikipe ya Coton yaje kuzaho irayichallenginga itwara ibikombe bibiri biheruka. Loto Popo ibi ya kabiri ikaba ari ikipe ubundi shampiyona ya Benin ngo uburyo ikinwa mu buryo bw'amazone, bakina amazone 4 atandukanye, buri zone ikaba ifite amakipe 9. hanyuma ikipe yabaye ya mbere muri buri zone zigeta zikarifiye mu cyo bita Super League. Iyo Super League ikaba ariyo bamenyeraho utwara igikombe cya shampiyona. Loto Popo yambara amabara y'icyatsi kibisi ikaba imaze kuba ya kabiri mu myaka 2 iheruka. Hanyuma Elvis, tell us about now the squad and the staff of Loto Popo. Who's the coach? Who are the big players of Loto Popo?
Okay, good. The Loto Popo has a sports director who came from Morocco. His name is Abdussalem Wadou. He was a former Morocco national team player. He plays in France, Strasbourg. He's the director of sports. Then you have the head coach, which is Mathias Degeno. Mathias Degeno is also the head coach of Benin National Under-20 team. Right now,
he's Beninois?
Yes, he's a Beninese. Yes, he's Beninois. So right now, he leads the Under-20 team to Kinshasa for Francophonie Games. He won Congo Democratic on Friday 2-0.
Which means he won't be available for the upcoming friendly game against Rayon Sports.
But his staff is there. He has 2 assistants, Abdoulaye Ozeru, who's a great coach too. He handled the national under-17 women team. He's a very good tactician. He will lead the team with no problem. He knows the job. We have Grégoire Zoinde too, who was a former player. He played in Germany, he played in Nigeria, he played in Benin, and you have Kapi license is there too. So his assistant will make it. They have a very good squad. You have talented players there. about three out of the staff. The team is now in Kinshasa playing Francophone game, but they have new players which are the new recruits. They come from Togo. It is a middle fielder from Togo, another one from Nigeria, a keeper from Burkina Faso, a striker from Nigeria, and a defender from Nigeria.
Okay.
Then we had they brought a left winger, a left fullback from Benin, and a midfield from Benin. That midfield came from Togo, but is a Beninese. So they now have 6 new players. Okay. All those 6 players they have played in CAF Champions League and CAF Cup. So they have experience. They have those 6 players that have experience.
Okay.
They have very good players like the captain of national under-20. Imran Hassan is a great player. They have Vino, is in Congo. He scored 2 goals on Friday. They have plenty players that can make the difference. But the deadly striker there is Bashir Faisal, a goal scorer.
Okay.
They have great goalkeepers too.
Okay.
Shei Damilola and Nuruddin Gakou. Now the Burkinabe come to join them. They have a very good squad.
Okay.
They play fine football. They play football very well.
Okay.
It was unfortunate they did not come out champion. It was unfortunate.
Okay. Elvis aravuga ati ni ikipe ikomeye, ni ikipe ifite directeur sportif bavanye muri Maroc, wakinnye mu Budage, wakinnye muri Maroc, wakinnye ikipe y'igihugu ya Maroc, ubu ni directeur sportif w'ikipe ya Loto Popo. Hanyuma kandi bakaba bafite umutoza mukuru wabo ntabwo azaba ari kumwe na Kigali ubwo bazaba baje muri Rayon Sports Day umunsi w'igikundiro, bitewe nuko niwe mutoza mukuru w'ikipe y'abatarengeje imyaka 23 iri Kinshasa, irimo gukina imikino ya Francophonie irimo kubera Kinshasa. Hanyuma uyu mutoza mukuru nubwo adahari, umunyabene utoza nk'umutoza mukuru muri ikipe, ngo bafite abatoza babiri bungirije bari ku rwego rwiza. Harimo umutoza wungirije wa mbere utoza Loto Popo, ngo ni umutoza w'ikipe y'igihugu y'abatarengeje imyaka 17 y'abagore ya Benin. Akaba kandi anafite undi mutoza wungirije bari kumwe, umutoza wakinnye ku rwego rwo hejuru, wakinnye mu Budage, wakinnye muri Nigeria, wakinnye mu bihugu bitandukanye na Benin, yitwara neza. Kuri bakaba ari umutoza wungirije muri Loto Popo. Abo ngo nibo bari buze kuyobora iyi kipe bayizana mu Rwanda. Ku kijyanye n'abakinnyi, aravuga ati ikipe izaza mu Rwanda idafite abakinnyi bayo batatu bari kumwe n'ikipe y'igihugu ya Benin y'abatanije imyaka 23 mu mikino ya Francophonie, ntabwo rwose bazaba bahari. Harimo na kapiteni w'ikipe y'igihugu y'abatanije imyaka 20, harimo Rutahizamu watsinze ibitego 2 mu ikipe y'igihugu ya Benin ubwo batsindaga Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo muri weekend. Abo ngabo ntabwo bazaba bahari, ariko groupe yabo yo ngo barayiramfushije, bayongereyemo imbaraga. Hari umukinnyi bavanye muri Nigeria, hari abakinnyi 2 bavanye muri Togo, harimo umwe w'umunyabene ariko wari waragiye gukina muri Togo, ukina ku ruhande rw'ibumoso yugarira. Hari abakinnyi bandi bagiye bongeramo cyane, bwo igisigaye no kumenya urwego rwabo ubwo bazaba bageze i Kigali. Elvis, to conclude our short interview, Loto Popo is playing CAF Confederations Cup this in few days. On 18th they will play FUS Rabat in the phase préliminaire. Do you think that they are going to go through? They level, can somebody think of them qualifying against the FUS Rabat?
You know, football is not mathematics, and anything can happen in a game. If you compare Morocco to Benin, there's a very big gap coming to football. But in a game, everything can happen because they have first leg in Morocco. They have a little experience of international games. So if they can control the game, somehow something can happen.
Okay.
But coming to weigh the 2 teams, FUS Rabat is above.
Of course.
You know, they have upper hand. They have everything. But in football, as we used to say here, le football est capricieux. Le ballon est capricieux. So anything can happen.
Okay.
You can't just judge. But on paper, FUS is superior to Loto Popo.
Okay. Elvis aravuga ati ikipe ya Loto Popo umupira si imibare, uvuge ngo rimwe guteranya rimwe bibyara kabiri, umupira uratungurana. ati rwose atabeshye ikipe ya Fusra birahabwa amahirwe iri hejuru cyane ya Loto Popo, ariko bakavuga ati hari avantage yo kuba ikipe ya Loto Popo umukino ubanza izawukinira muri Maroc bakina n'ikipe ya Fusra bamugiye bawitwaramo neza imibare yo kuba bakwakirira Cotonou umukino wo kwishyura yazaba ari myiza cyane. Elvis, let me tell you that the Rayon Sports team, we have some players that you saw in the Rwanda national team the time we were in Cotonou and the time we played against you in Kigali. We'll see a very good game, and we'll have a live stream of the game. You people from Benin, you'll have to watch the game. That's a very good thing that I can tell you. And thank you very much for your time.
You are welcome. Please send me the link that day so that I can watch the match live, because right now I don't move anywhere. My leg is plastered after an accident.
Oh.
So I'm in one place. I'll be very glad to watch the match.
Oh la la.
Please remember to send me the link.
I will. I promise. Thank you very much.
I wish you all the best.
Uyu mugabo bamwita Elvis Sanklan abivuye imuzi
cyane, abivuye imuzi ni muzi
asoje avuga ko rwose ngomba kumuhereza link abantu bikotono nawe akakabaha bakazabona uburyo bwo kuri uyu mukino wa Loto Popo na Rayon Sports, cyane ko arimo avuga ati igwa yanakoze accident ahubwo umuntu yamubwiye ati pole sana. Uyu muntu kugira ngo wumve uburyo twamenyanye, ubwo u Rwanda rwari muri Togo muri Benin twagiye gukina ikipe y'igihugu y'u Rwanda yagiye gukina n'iya Benin, uyu mugabo niwe wari umugide kwa kundi baguha umuntu uzajye kujyana ahantu hose, niba ukeneye hoteli, niba ukeneye kujya guhaha ibintu runaka, niba ukeneye umuswanyeri uza kugufasha ama massage, ibintu byose mukeneye. Burya amakipe y'ibihugu arabigira, baguha umuntu wo muri icyo gihugu ugufasha ibintu byose. Nuko twamenyanye rero Elvis Zanklan adusobanuriye byose kuri iyi kipe ya Loto Popo. Abareyo hari shot tutabahaye,
umva ko ari ikipe y'akanyenyeri, ikipe ifite akanyenyeri kenshi, ikipe ibigiye gufata itike y'indege ikazi Nyarugenge.
Sibye ko agomba kuzamo n'ubufatanye cyarimo gukorana hagati ya Rayon Sports n'ikipe. Sigomba kujya mu madetail ngo tubabwire ngo Rayon Sports izatanga ibi, Rayon Sports gusa uruhare runini rw'amafaranga ruzatangwa na Rayon Sports, kuko Rayon Sports izakira umukino. Umuntu yavuga ati felicitation ku buyobozi bwa Rayon Sports, hari ibintu byinshi byiza barimo
bagomba gushanja, bagomba guhindura,
ntabwo twaguma mu equipe yo mu karere. Urumva kuko gahunda so amatsinda Mwajya mu matsinda dufite ikipe muri West Africa ngo mugigira
cyane,
ugomba kuba warabonye bene ako gatuza. Rero ngibyo bya Loto Popo, ibindi byinshi tuzagenda tubigaruka mu biganiro byacu bitaha. Gusa nakubwira ko ku munsi w'ejo ku mugoroba cyangwa ku wa gatatu mu gitondo ibiciro bya umunsi w'igikundiro bizahita bijya hanze. Bakunzi ba Rayon Sports, n'umuhungu wanyu Robin Ngabo. Reka mbibutse ikintu kimwe, tuje kubabwira ko dufite platform cyashya, twabanye neza cyane kuri YouTube, ariko ubu twashinze televiziyo yacu bwite. Muze kuri televiziyo ya Rayon Sports, ubundi ariho muzajya mukurikirana haba ibiganiro Gikundiro info buri wa mbere na buri wa gatanu guhera ku isaha y'isa 3 z'ijoro kugera ku isaha y'isa 4, yewe n'imikino yose y'ikipe ya Rayon Sports tuzajya tubereka naho tuzajya tuyiberekera. Icyo ukora nta kindi, wandika ijambo TV ni tanava TV akadomo Rayon Sports akadomo rwa ni TV akadomo Rayon Sports akadomo rwa. Iyo Rayon Sports kiuka gushyiraho S kubera ko twitwa Rayon Sports, tv.rayonsports.rw. iyo niyo platform turimo gukoresha haba mu biganiro ndetse n'imikino. Abantu dukurikira kuri YouTube rwose muze twambukane tugere no kuri televiziyo yacu bwite. Mukomeze mugire ibihe byiza.